Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Roshan Kadanthode. I'm heading the Metso Training Academy for Metso. It's an academy that was formed after the merger, so post-merger between Metso and Outotec, and the primary aim is to kind of focus on sales, product, and technical skills development in the company, as well as providing training services for our customers as well. I would like to take the opportunity to thank the organizers for inviting me. It's been great to listen to the few of the keynotes and how certain sectors are working, and about the MEITIM project as well. It's been quite interesting. So, the topic today, what I try to show is about sustainable performance, and from a company point of view. So, Metso Outotec, we are a front runner in sustainable technologies in the aggregates, in the minerals, in the metal processing industry. So for us, we need capabilities, we need skills for sustaining that. So how do we secure the strategic capabilities we need to perform? So let me take you through a bit of our company ambitions as well as challenges. I think that, and then kind of wrap it up with what we are looking for. So again, the purpose of Metso, we want to enable sustainable modern life, and we aim to create solutions to accelerate sustainability in the industries we operate in. And our vision is to be the customer's number one choice for sustainable use of Earth's natural resources. And we want to deliver services, we want to deliver reliability, innovation, and results safely. We want to be a valuable partner for our customers and to the industry. And we need to do this in a sustainable way. Our core business, so Metso, it is a big organization. So we do have our hands in several businesses, starting with on the aggregate side, where we help customers, our customers or industries, to kind of produce raw materials for building our modern world. And in the minerals industry, so in the mineral processing side, we have technologies and solutions and process expertise to ensure that we can create minerals in a sustainable manner. On the metal side, so this is heavy energy consuming industry. How do we make sure that our ore is processed in a sustainable manner, and also to kind of preserve water and kind of make sure that our waste are controlled in a good manner. We have services and consumables, so we also need to serve customers to ensure that they can get maximum out from our equipment and our solutions. So we all know the world around us is changing quite dramatically and rapidly. The mega trends, urbanization, it's something that is continuously growing, and there's a huge pressure and demand on our aggregates and minerals and metals to build our modern world. So how do we make sure that we do this while our resources are depleting, so scarcity of natural resources, and how do we make sure that we process this in a sustainable, natural way? The climate change, it's the COP27 is going on, so lots of discussions are happening over there, and we are eagerly looking after the results from that to see how we can contribute. The climate change is calling for energy and water efficiency. How do we decrease the emissions? And the circular economy plays a big part there. How do we reuse, recycle? And the final thing is digitalization. How do we advance our businesses and innovations into the digital world? So, so what we are saying is, besides the technological advancements, we need human capabilities to lead us through these journeys and these mega trends. So it's something that we need programs like MEITIM and industries to kind of develop upskill, reskill capabilities. Um, so our customers are demanding, are they also in a huge pressure to make sure that there is sustainable process and solutions and capabilities are available. Um, the customer industries are in transition from fossil fuels. They need renewables, they need low carbon operations, unintermittent power. So this requires investments in power transmissions, in batteries, um, and in metals and minerals in that process. The water, waste, and the related risk linked to that is also something that is increasing. So we have as an industry, key role to play here. Um, the technology companies like Metso, Outotec, and the suppliers, we play a key role in addressing the climate change. For example, roughly 5% of the world's energy is used in the communication circuit. So this one part of the processing chain, and around 1% of the world's power is running through our equipments in the world at the moment. So we need to be responsible. We need to have a key role to play here, and and we have to improve throughout the value chain. It's not just one area. We have to manage our own footprint, our own operations as well, and we are committed to the 1.5 degree science-based target approach. So this is a must. I think the talk. I think we have to achieve this by 2050 or earlier. I think people are talking about 2040 now already. So this is a must. And referring to our purpose of enabling sustainable modern life, I think this touches heavily into that topic over there. Um, so as Metso Outotec, we are quite privileged and have the responsibility because we are in the whole value chain. So as a company, starting from the exploration all the way to the final metal product, we are involved. So our hands are there, our footprint is there, and handprint is there. So we have that responsibility to ensure that we can impact on the energy, on the water and circularity, on the emissions, and through our technologies, we want to innovate. We want to make sure that we limit that. And to achieve this as a company, we kind of started creating a like those CE marks in the equipment. We are calling it Planet Positive tag for our technologies. So we are labeling our technologies and our solutions as Planet Positive. That can help our customers to kind of minimize that risk. Um, we have almost more than 100 products labeled already as Planet Positive, which is yielding significant results already. As an example, in past year, with certain technologies, we managed to reduce close to 25 to 30% in the comminution side, in the grinding side, using our verti-mill technology. We reduced more than 10.3 million tons of CO2 through our technologies. Noise pollution has been reduced big time with our equipment, and water consumption, especially in the concentrator plant, in the copper concentrate plant, we managed to reduce. So it is the investments are paying out at the moment, but long way to go. And it is also something that recently our CEO announced that 100% of our R&D will have a Planet Positive KPI linked to it. So the investments will be given to and R&D is going into this Planet Positive products. It's been quite quick, but again, the idea here is that we are after sustainable performance. So to be a top tier company, to be the leading front runner company, and to tackle these mega trends, we need to accentuate different aspects of skill sets and existing skill sets, as well as acquiring new skill sets. So we need And we are seeing a trend across the industry of upskilling our own employees at the moment, and suddenly they are moving into a different role. So a metallurgist working in the metallurgical environment is now turning into be a data scientist. So we want that person to kind of start looking at the data coming out from the field, and so we can improve. So we are looking at upskilling our own guys quite a bit, but we need to build capabilities. So we need capabilities to safeguard our planet, to advance now sustainable transformation, to safeguard our business, and to have that sustainable performance. We need a transformative leadership. That mindset needs to be changed. We need to attract, develop, and retain talents. Talent attrition is one of the things that we are also facing quite a bit. Our customers are also facing the attrition rate, so resources are moving quite fast, but we need to retain them. We need to keep them motivated. Um, the future is digital, so we need to be able to deliver in the digital world. So with the mining industry itself, digital transformation is slow, but it is being heavily looked into, and we need to start delivering that world. So that brings a huge new skill set needed, and we cannot do this by ourselves. So we need partnership. We need partners. So MEITIM, universities, hopefully with the EIT also, I'm looking at opportunities to partner even more further, because we need to partner to going forward, and yeah. So that was pretty much what I'm looking for, and I hope this gives some insights from a company perspective what we are after, and thank you for the opportunity.